Okay, we all have something like this around the house. It's copper wire. And then this is more indicative to what you would ground your electrical system with outside. It's a little heavier gauge. Let me see what that is. I'm not sure. I got a gauge thing somewhere here. It's 130 thousandths as opposed to this 12-aught wire is 78 or 80. So basically we've drilled 6 holes here of equal depth to match up with this plate. So we will go ahead and insert those in here again. And the beauty of this, if it doesn't work, you can just put some screws in here and pretend it never happened. Okay, let me get you focused up here on the vise. I bet the press would work much better. But I don't have a press. And I think this will do just fine. I am going to put something against this face to protect it. Some mail there. You don't need to see that. Let's see here, I can find that crack. Get you right in there. My wires are probably a little long. Yes, they are a little long. Okay, let's release that. Let's see what we got. Okay, we're actually really tight there. So all I've done is create some extra work over here on the sander. Okay, we just need to spend a couple minutes on this. And here we are. It isn't moving. Well, on a whole, I would say this is going to need a little more work, a little more adjusting. Having trouble getting my height set. I thought I had it pretty adjustable. But the whole idea is, let's just pretend we have a 4-jaw chuck here, is that we could put our cross handle, you know, out in this area and be able to make all adjustments in line with the indicator and be able to see what and how much you're moving. So, yeah, it's mounted up there. Let's just say it needs a little fine-tuning. Then we will do that. Okay, you know, this should be the part where I'm telling you the tool post style indicator holder, how great it is and everything. Well, not so much. I think at one point I started letting the materials dictate the build, and you know, I missed a few numbers. So with my tool post tool holder adjusted all the way down, I'm 5/16 high, or 312 thousandths. Now if I adjust the tool post holder to the middle range, where I got adjustment each direction, I'm a 1/2 inch high. Now if I lose the magnet part of the mag base, I'm just about right where I need to be. But I'm not willing to lose that feature. So I'm going to add a 1/2 inch of material on top of the metal plate, between the metal plate and the aluminum piece here. And that'll get me where I need to be. Here's a little example. My spindle center is the bottom of this tool blank. And you can probably see a pretty, it's a pretty honest picture of where it lies. And like I say, if we lost this mag base, it puts it right on center. But I'm not willing to lose that mag base. The rivets, this is something I picked up from Rustinox. And, you know, you don't have to sand it flat. In fact, you have much better holding power if you left a little mushroomed button on top there. One of these is falling out, but the other ones, and you can take a center punch and punch the center of those topper pins and spread them to give you a little added assurance. But you'd be hard pressed to pull that apart with your bare hands. So Rustinox, thank you for that neat trick of making rivets. Okay, so I'm going to get on get my self thinking about 1/2 inch material and what I need to put underneath there or between there, what I have. You know, I have 1/2 inch bar stock, I got 1/2 inch steel. Yeah, I have have options. I mean, I could use a block of wood for that, you know, for all that matters. It doesn't matter really what it is. It'd be nice to add some color to it. I had a piece of brass that was slightly thicker than this, and I could probably use this if I eliminated the option of having the height adjustment with the tool post, which really all you need is dead center. So this may end up being the part that fills the gap. This has some numbers on it. I don't know if there's any significance. Maybe you guys could make something of that. 244661. Yeah, that's just, you know, came out of somebody's toolbox that I acquired. Okay, please like and subscribe. If you have stickers, help me out here. You know, I've gone as far as putting my sticker company's thing up here, their propaganda. I put my own sticker on here, which is probably, you know, probably ridiculous. And so if you have channel stickers, my email is almost always in the description. So help these guys not be so lonely. I got A-Bomb and R&R in the shop, Mr. Lang, Mr. Summers. I'm not sure if Steve has his new stickers or not. He was working on it as of about a year ago, I guess. Okay, guys. Have a good one. And I guess as tradition, like I always say, Kimberzelik, student machinist, all I own is this Chinese mini lathe from Harbor Freight and a Sears & Roebuck drill press. So help me out. If you got any milling machines for sale, or if you just want to get rid of one, I'm a taker.